mind, pumping like hydraulics, back from the dead like Seattle Supersonics. Nada will get me down, I'm out that funk. Stop messing around, get the beach chairs out the trunk. No negative junk, only positivity, like the sun rays that are emitting to me. I'm unapologetically uninhibited, self-conscious kid, setting new precedents. Left darkness behind in favor of radiance. A kid in the sun who once clung to shadiness, traded calculated for spontaneity. An alias exchange and it's plain to see, but at face value I guess it all feels the same to me. Maybe I'm just lost in a dream.
Yo, wake up, Steve.
I've been feeling like I was caught in a fight. I've got this phone full of my friends' missed calls. Radio silence for the last few weeks, while I found some balance between these valleys and peaks. But I ain't at peace, no. At long last, surroundings have me down, but I got the last laugh. Hop out the window or watch the world go past. Get in on the fun before I run out of gas, City lights at night got me feeling up and up. Bartender front and center, I wanna know where you're from. Listen to your story until you start to bore me. Then I'm back to dancing to the beat of my own drum. Time slips fast when I'm inebriated. Demons in the liquor got me feeling somewhat deviated. Staring at a crescent moon, laying in a sand dune. Everything is foreign outside of my four